Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make springtime bird nests. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Easter is a time to celebrate rebirth and renewal, and when I came across these two recipes on the Taste of Home website, I knew they'd be perfect for this episode. They're super easy to make and they look just gorgeous, so let's get into it. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own springtime bird nests, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For the nests, I'm using 1/4 cup of butter, 4½ cups of mini marshmallows, 1/4 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and 4 cups of chow mein noodles. For the eggs, I'm using 12 ounces of white chocolate chips, 3 ounces of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of water, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and some colored sugar. I'm also using a saucepan, a spatula, some bowls, a lined cutting board, and a scoop. Okay, let's make some candy. In a large saucepan over medium heat, melt the butter and marshmallows until smooth, stirring occasionally. Add the peanut butter and chocolate chips. Continue stirring until everything is well combined. Remove the saucepan from the heat, then add the chow mein noodles to a large bowl. Pour the mixture over the noodles and gently mix until the noodles are completely coated. I had to put the bowl in the microwave for a few seconds to remelt the mixture. Take some of the coated noodles, form them into the shape of a nest, and place it on a lined cutting board. Continue with the rest of the noodles, then set the nests aside. Add the chips to a microwave-safe bowl and melt them in a microwave. Add the cream cheese, water, and vanilla and stir until the mixture is well blended. Then place the bowl in the refrigerator for an hour. Scoop some of the mixture and form it into a rough egg shape. Roll it in the colored sugar and place it on a lined cutting board. Continue with the rest of the mixture, then place the eggs in the refrigerator overnight to set. And that's it. Now, I made these because of how they look, not because I thought they would taste amazing, but we're going to taste them anyway because who knows? Let's start with an egg. Sláinte mhath. And a nest. To be honest, this looks like the first step in something I would have made for an April Fool's Day episode. Sláinte mhath. The nest, not that great. It's not bad. You can definitely taste the chocolate, peanut butter, and marshmallow, but the flavors are very muted, almost to the point of blandness. It does have a nice crunch, though. I mean, I'm going to eat the rest of this, but it's not the best thing I've made here in the Candy Kitchen. The egg, however, is really good. It's smooth and creamy with the sugar bringing just a little bit of crunch to the party. And the cream cheese gives a nice little tang that keeps the white chocolate from being overpoweringly sweet. It's quite nice. If you're looking for a tasty treat that'll impress everyone at your Easter dinner, you really ought to try these. Completely coated. I had to put the bowl in the microwave for a few seconds to remelt. Scoop some of the mixture into a... Nope.